Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by tackling surface contamination so the restoration bonds. Use a soft brush and plastic cleaner to remove road grime and old dressings, then wipe with 70% isopropyl to degrease. Once done, inspect for cracks and note clip locations. Make sure to mask surrounding paint and lenses with tape. You want a dry, oil-free surface before any sanding or treatment because adhesion and appearance depend on a perfectly clean starting point. You now fix structural and texture issues to create a uniform base. Mix and apply plastic epoxy to any cracks or gouges, let cure, then sand starting with 320 grit and progress to 600 for blending. Once blended, wet sand with 800 to 1200 grit for a consistent matte surface. Make sure to remove dust between steps. Finish by applying thin, even coats of plastic primer. This promotes adhesion and evens porosity, so top treatments perform. You complete the job by depositing the new finish that resists UV and grime. Choose a high-quality plastic restorer or satin spray designed for exterior trim and apply 2 to 3 light coats, holding the can 8-12 inches away to prevent runs. Once coated, let cure 24 hours before light buffing with a microfiber pad to unify sheen. If you see blotches, reprime that area and reapply. If the finish peels, strip to primer and redo the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.